Good morning. Today is our GK class, and in today class we will read 5 chapter 21 to 25. Everybody open page number 25 from your GK book. In this chapter you will learn about the United Nations organization. Now we are starting. International organization help different countries to cooperate with each other on a range of important issues. Some aim to reduce the risk of war by settling dispute peacefully. Others work to improve living conditions, particularly for the world poor nation. The main aim of this organization is to maintain peace throughout the world and the improving living condition of particular for the poor nation. मेन जो एम है इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का वो ये है कि पूरी दुनिया में शांति बनाए रखना और जो गरीब कंट्रीज है उनकी लाइफ में इम्प्रूवमेंट लाना. इन 1945 50 कंट्रीज सेट अप द यूनाइटेड नेशन विद स्ट्रॉन्गर पावर टू मेंटेन वर्ल्ड पीस. मैनी मोर कंट्रीज हैव जॉइन द यूएन. 1945 में 50 कंट्रीज ने मिलकर इसकी स्थापना की थी बहुत ही शक्ति के साथ, और उसके बाद में बहुत सारी कंट्रीज भी इसमें ज्वाइन हो गई थी. जनरल असेंबली. द मेन बॉडी ऑफ द यूएन इज द जनरल असेंबली विच पासेस रिजोल्यूशन. द जनरल असेंबली मीट फ्रॉम सेप्टेम्बर टू डिसम्बर एट अदर टाइम व्हेन देयर इज एन emergency. In General Assembly, all the members of the countries talk about the issue which is happening in the world. जनरल असेंबली के अंदर सारे कंट्रीज के मेंबर मिलकर किसी भी इश्यू पर डिस्कशन करते हैं, उसके बाद सॉल्यूशन निकलता है. और जनरल असेंबली हर साल सितंबर से दिसंबर मंथ के बीच में कभी भी रखी जाती है, बट अगर कोई इमरजेंसी कंडीशन आ रही है तो वो कभी भी रखी जा सकती है. After then, Security Council, the second main UN body is the Security Council. The Security Council has only 15 members countries. 5 countries, China, Britain, France, United States and Russia, are the permanent members, and the other 10 are elected by the General Assembly for 2 years at a time. सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल सुरक्षा परिषद, इसमें टोटल 15 मेंबर्स होते हैं कंट्रीज. 15 देश इसके मेंबर्स होते हैं. उसमें से 5 कंट्रीज परमानेंट मेंबर्स होते हैं, ये कभी नहीं बदलते, ये इसके मेंबर्स हमेशा रहते हैं. 5 कंट्रीज, चाइना, ब्रिटेन, फ्रांस, यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स एंड रशिया. एंड रिमेनिंग 10 कंट्रीज का सिलेक्शन असेंबली, जनरल असेंबली के अंदर से होता है, जिसमें 2 ईयर्स के लिए दूसरी कंट्रीज सिलेक्शन होता है. इंटरनेशनल कोर्ट ऑफ जस्टिस, it is in another important UN body is settle legal dispute between UN members. The International Court of Justice is in Hague in the Netherlands. सारे UN members कंट्रीज के बीच में जस्टिस, न्याय बनाए रखने के लिए इंटरनेशनल कोर्ट ऑफ जस्टिस है. ये नीदरलैंड के अंदर हैग प्लेस पर बना हुआ है. अदर UN specialized agency, there are also UN specialized agency like UNICEF, UNESCO, WHO, etc., which are devoted to particular subjects such as education, children welfare and refugees. दूसरी भी बहुत सारी एजेंसी है जो अलग अलग सब्जेक्ट को लेकर वर्क करती है. WHO वर्क फॉर इम्प्रूवमेंट ऑफ हेल्थ के लिए WHO वर्क करता है. कुछ है जो एजुकेशन को लेकर हेल्प करता है, कुछ बच्चों की लाइफ में इम्प्रूवमेंट लाने के लिए, एसेट्रा. Our chapter is complete. Now turn your page 25 to 26. Chapter number 22, the United Nations Organization quiz. In this chapter, we will discuss question answer related to our 21 chapter. Theories is there and question answer is here. You have to fill all these answers from help box. The first UNO was founded in 24 October 1945. The headquarters of the UNO is located at New York. General Assembly is the discussion body to consist all members of the UNO. UNICEF is the organization that help mother children in improving their quality of life. WHO is the organization that help to make the people in the world as healthy as possible. UNESCO promote education and knowledge of each other culture. The Security Council has 5 permanent members. The Security Council has 15 members countries. Maintain of peace and security is the responsibility of Security Council. Each nation has 1 vote. You have to do all this point in your GK notebook. This will be your today homework. Only 22 chapter, and other chapter you have to fill in book only with pencil. Famous world leaders. You have to recognize all this picture. So first picture belong to David Cameron. This picture belong to Queen Elizabeth II. This picture belong to Vladimir Putin. This picture belong to Sheikh Hasina. This picture belong to Mahindra Rajapaksa. This picture belong to Ibrahim Lincoln. You have to fill all this with pencil in book. Now, chapter number 24. Superlatives of the world. You have to fill all the answer from help box. The longest canal, Grand Canal. The largest desert. The largest desert of the world is Sahara. This is located in Africa. The largest coral reef, Great Barrier Reef. This is located in Australia. The longest building, Burj Khalifa. The longest river, Nile, Egypt. The highest waterfall, Angel, Venezuela. The highest mountain peak is Mount Everest. This is located in Nepal. The largest amphitheater is Colosseum. You have to fill all this answer with pencil in book. Now, chapter number 25, Wonders of World. You have to fill the all answer from help box with pencil. Here are 7 wonders of the modern world given below. Write their names along with their countries. You may use the help box. This picture belongs to Christ the Redeemer. This is located in Brazil. This picture belongs to Taj Mahal. This is located in our India country. This picture belongs to Chichen Itza. This is located in Mexico. This picture of Colosseum. This is located in Italy. This picture belongs to the Great Wall of China. This is located in China. This picture belongs to ruins of Petra. This is located in Jordan. This picture of Machu Picchu. This is located in Peru. You have to fill all these answers with pencil in book. And your today homework is only 22 chapter. You have to do this in your GK notebook. And other chapter you have to learn